Hey everyone, for the market today, market minutes today, we had quite the day for growth stocks, at least. I say Google had their earnings. Looks like it's down after hours. It's fluctuating a lot. It was up, now it's down, now it's up. Just a market maker's game. Um, was Google stock earnings today? Sure, good or bad? Let's see what. Does anyone know? Mixed bag, revenue increase, net income up almost 30% compared to year prior. Wow. Stock fell as much as 3% next to that report and against the market disappointment despite strong performance. There always is something, right? Revenue growth was driven by strong demand for Google Cloud and your type. Sorry, okay. There are a lot of stocks that are down. It's funny, PLTR had its earnings and, you know, yesterday it was doing great, and today just bloop, right down. Something about the AI trade, I guess, is we'll see. We'll see if it has strength or if it's dying or whatnot. There's another kind of interesting one. Look at Bitcoin. Look at this. Just getting wrecked. I don't know what the average what MSTR's average Bitcoin per share is, or average Bitcoin price is, but I think it's below this. So, yeah. Speaking of which, I don't really. Yeah. So I don't know, but the one that I want to look at today is hymns. This is the one that I want to look at today. Um, they have some competition with NBO, who it also got wrecked a lot. It got wrecked. Okay, because they said they had declining sales. Um, yeah, increasingly competitive market. And there's a lot of red. Yeah, so NBO got kind of wrecked. So we're gonna look at hymns. Um, okay, right away, strong balance sheet. Very strong balance sheet. Um, let's see. They do have negligible amount of debt. Senior notes here. But let's get to the good part. Let's get to hims or hers. For me, at least, I'm sure you guys have other ways, but these balance sheets, the strength of the balance sheet really only matters for companies that still aren't making a profit, and HIMS is making money. So it's about valuations now at this point. And their gross margin right away is really good, but I don't think it's that much better when compared to the rest of the industry. How good is HIMS gross margin when compared with the Okay, so not bad. Roku gross is 77%, peak 82. Strong gross margin when compared to industry peers. So there you go. Um, and that's a pretty strong gross margin. Where does all their money go though? Marketing. They spend a lot of money on marketing. Um, though they are getting more sales than what they spend on marketing, so that's efficient. Because look, marketing went up about 50K. I'd have to compare to the math here, but and the like percentage wise. Um, man, it can make me do this. I really. make me do this. Okay, 232 divided by 132. Okay, so marketing spend went up about 27%. And 2 divided by 7, and this went up by 40%. So there you go. That's pretty good. Efficient marketing. Operations support went up quite a bit. Technology. And then after taking away all of that, this is their net profit. So this eats up a lot. And then they got a few minor items here. So, there's Hims. My personal opinion, man, I think that this could be an okay buy. I don't know anything. I mean, I'm aware of there's all these trends and lines and support lines and wait for it to get better. And you should listen to those people. I'm not an expert or amazing at that. I don't really look at it too well, as you can see by my chart. I'm not going into all these lines like what other people do, and they're good at it, and you should check them out too. But if it were me, I think at these prices, this is an okay buy, honestly. Look at this support. And April 22nd, 25 bucks. I think this is an okay buy right now. If you're willing to wait for a couple years, I think this is a pretty decent buy. So there you go. There's Hims.